Is Bonk on Newton? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on my mind a lot lately. Is Bonk on Newton? For those of you who don't know, Bonk is a popular meme that features a dog wearing a baseball cap and sunglasses. The meme is often used to express frustration or annoyance. Newton, on the other hand, is a famous scientist. He is known for his groundbreaking work on gravity and motion. So, is Bonk on Newton? Or is it just a coincidence? Let's start by looking at the evidence. First, the name Bonk is a reference to Isaac Newton's first law of motion, which states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. Second, the dog in the meme is wearing a baseball cap and sunglasses, which are two items that Newton is often seen wearing in portraits. Third, the meme is often used to express frustration or annoyance, which are two emotions that Newton is often associated with. Given this evidence, it seems likely that the Bonk meme is a reference to Isaac Newton. However, it's also possible that the connection is just a coincidence. After all, there are many other dogs who wear baseball caps and sunglasses, and there are many other people who are known for their frustration or annoyance. So what do you think? Is Bonk on Newton? Or is it just a coincidence? I'm not sure if there is a definitive answer to this question, but I think it's an interesting one to consider. In the end, whether or not Bonk is on Newton is up to you to decide. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check back soon for more videos from me. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.